In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Shopify App Store on desktop. If you're managing a Shopify store, the quickest and most reliable way to reach the App Store is right from your Shopify admin. This keeps everything connected to the correct store, helps you avoid typing the wrong address, and ensures the apps you find are ready to install into your workspace. Start by opening your preferred desktop browser and going to the Shopify login page. Sign in with your store credentials just like you normally do. If you manage more than one store, double-check that you're logging into the correct account so the apps you discover will be available for the right storefront. For your security, don't share your credentials and make sure you're on a trusted device and network. Once you're in the Shopify admin, look over to the left-hand sidebar. Find and click on Apps. This section is your hub for everything app-related. You'll see any apps you've already installed, as well as recommendations that Shopify thinks could be helpful based on your store's needs. On the Apps page, look for the link that says something like, "Visit the Shopify App Store." Click that. Depending on your screen size or any updates to the interface, the link might appear at the top or in the main content area, but it's always clearly labeled. If you don't see it and you're part of a team account, you may need the right permissions from the store owner or administrator to access the App Store link. When you click the link, the Shopify App Store opens in a new tab or window. From here, you can search for specific tools using the search bar, browse categories such as marketing, shipping, store design, and customer support, or explore collections that highlight popular or high-rated apps. Take a moment to read app descriptions and reviews, check pricing and free trial options, and look at the permissions and app requests so you understand how it integrates with your store. It's also helpful to scan the Built for Shopify badges and compatibility notes to ensure the app works with your current theme and plan. A quick tip: consider bookmarking the App Store in your browser or the apps page in your admin for faster access later. Keep your browser up to date to avoid display quirks, and if the link doesn't open, check whether a pop-up blocker is stopping the new tab. That's it. Log into your admin, click Apps, then select Visit the Shopify App Store, and you're ready to explore tools that can help you grow, streamline, and customize your store, all from your desktop.